Hello, my name is Diana Kaminskita, and today I'll be talking about operations and project management. P1, conduct a review and critique of the implementation of operations management principles within an organizational context. So there are different definitions by different people who are the experts in operational management. J. Hazer and Barry Render 2006 said that operational management consists of set of activities which creates valuable goods and services by transforming inputs into the outputs. When Evans and Collier 2008 described operational management more scientifically, defining it as a science and art of making sure that the same transformational process is created and delivered successfully to its customers. However, Russell and Taylor 2011 described it is operation and improvement design of productive systems. Krajewski, Ridzman, Malhotra 2007 had a similar opinion, describing it as a design. Hence, they defined it more systematically and more detailed, saying as a systematic design and control direction of the process which transforms inputs into services as well as the products for internal and external customers. We can see that Hazer and Barry Render 2006 focuses more on internal activities to create value out of the inputs, which is good, as it's very important to make sure that all the activities are running smooth in order to create an actual valuable product or process. However, they have not mentioned how the output would be delivered to its customers. When Evans and Collier 2008 call it as a science of making sure that the same process is created and would be delivered successfully to the customers. Hence, all these experts have not mentioned the improvement when it's very important in this competitional, ever-changing world, and Russell and Taylor 2011 have said that it is the operation and improvement design of productive systems. Russell and Taylor identifying that all the operation must be improved and designed in order to have a productive systems, but as Hazer and Barry Render, they haven't mentioned the output delivery to the customers. When Krajewski, Ridzman, Malhotra 2007 has almost covered everything by focusing on a systematic design, control and direction of the process, which show how important is the process and how organized it is to transform inputs into services or products, not only for external but for internal customers too. As we could see, there were different definitions, some of it focusing more on internal process or delivering the outcome to the customers. Some of them describes it as an art or science systematic process. Let's go on to P2, which is asking to prepare a continuous improvement plan based on the review and critique of operations management principles within an organizational context. So let's talk about operational efficiency. It is a foundation of all businesses. We can compare operational efficiency in a way of reducing waste. Companies' input, which refers to the cost, people, time and work, and output when the inputs transfer into producing the product or service. If company receiving the most output for the input, that means company operates efficiently. There are different ways of implementing operational efficiency, such as focusing on customer requirements and expectations, consider customer feedback and take it into key metric in order to make sure that the strategy and day-to-day priorities are aligned with the needs. The company also needs to set the right efficiency measurements in order to guide continuous improvement, as well as periodically auditing all the procedures and practices in order to find the ones that isn't functioning any longer or where something needs to be improved, same as the ones who is working but might be improved more. It is crucial to keep your organization organized. Company must control all the documents which are all in order and is easy accessed when needed. To be an efficient organization, companies should use a Lean Six Sigma methodology which would help to reduce waste, which is no longer required, such as ineffective activity in a process. Solve the problems such as the defects which was caused by the process. It is simply a method for efficient problem solving which reduces the number of defective products manufacturers or services provided in order to increase revenue and better customer satisfaction. The main benefits of using this methodology are to increase the profit, decreases cost, to improve efficiency and effectiveness, and to help develop employees. So let's talk about the plan. My scenario is coffee shop that is using agency cleaners and paying less money for bad service instead of using private cleaners who cares about their reputation and provide quality service, although it would cost more. Let's define. Our goal is to hire through private cleaners in order to receive a quality service. Even though it will cost us more, the service that we will receive will satisfy us and our customers by making our coffee shop to meet health and safety standards. Let's measure. In the past, as we used agencies to hire our cleaners, we have noticed that the number of complaints from customers has increased and the number of customers has decreased, which then is affecting our profit. Let's analyze it. Even though we are paying less for the cleaners through agency, however, it is costing us customers. By hiring private cleaners, we would pay more money, hence we will get a quality service, and both us and our customers would be more satisfied, and the number of new customers would increase, which then turn into the profit. Improvement. To improve, we will work with private cleaners instead of agencies. That will improve the quality and safety of our coffee shop service, at the same time making sure our cleaners are satisfied and happy in our work environment. Not only we will make them feel as a team, we will also give them a good reference in the future jobs. Control. By checking our payments to cleaning agencies for the last year, which was £10,000, we have decided to increase it to £16,000, as our aim is to provide a quality service to our customers by meeting health and safety standards. We will be monitoring expenditure and control the expenses that is going in and out in order to increase our yearly budget. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.